Hey everybody, welcome to the shed. It's the last day of summer and today is a beautiful day. The back brakes on the Focus need to be replaced, so it looks like we've got content for another video. Let's get started. I've got a gravel driveway, so I've got a board set down there. The gravel is not a real comfortable surface to work on. You've got to remove the cap to the brake fluid reservoir because when you compress the calipers, the brake fluid's going to have some place to go, and you don't want it to go into a pressurized reservoir. It needs to have room to expand. So right there, that's the brake caliper. That's going to have to come off. And there's some bolts on the back side that are going to have to be loosened and pulled out before that'll come off. That's the one that's going to have to come out right there. So there's the caliper off of the rotor. The guys at AutoZone were nice enough to alert me to the need for a special tool, and so it's a loaner. I had to put down a $60 deposit, and then I'll just take it back and get my 60 bucks back. There's the tool. They said the caliper screws back in instead of compressing with a C-clamp like most disc brakes do. Most calipers can just be compressed with a C-clamp. So it looks like the special tool that they loaned me is broken, as far as I can tell. I believe there's supposed to be a pin here that actually looks like it's sheared off inside of here, and it looks like that's supposed to be held so that it can turn this, and I think what's possible is maybe somebody tightened this down and then didn't know how to use it and sheared it off, maybe. This is all speculation. So I'm back from the AutoZone. I got a replacement for the loaner tool that was broken. Somebody else broke it and returned it and didn't bother to tell them. So normally that'd be about a 1-hour job, maybe a little bit longer. This one turned into about a 3-hour job. And I think the big reason for that was the special tool. Anytime you got a special tool involved, that increases complication. So the first problem with the special tool was it was broken. And so I took that back and they didn't have one. I had to go to a different store. There was some confusion there with that. It took longer than it should have, but the bottom line is the brakes are back in order, and that'll end this episode. And so for now, thanks for watching.